Yeah, Formlabs Products is like $3,300. For like the basic package. For a mobile, like a complete package at that price, you need like a pack with material to get started. So not anything significant. Also, it's very like gigabyte printer. So if your P card limit for your department is $2,500, you can sneak it into your management.
So what?
It has to be bounded out of it. So it needs to be soft, malleable.
Sure. Yeah, and would you have I guess like how long is it
and then you go from freeform to the printer. You hit print. When that is done, you go to the sit and punch out the powder from the unprinted powder so you can recycle it, and then go over to the fuse blast, hit a button, walk away, and then you're left with these parts. But everything here has just been, if it has been post-processed at all, it's just been media blasted. So this is all natural off the printer, besides the rest. This was
Typically, is it like until the night sort of thing? In the morning, everything's done?
It depends on.
Yeah, that's like 25. No, it's medical, so it may be a little bit more expensive. It's like $2,500. Yeah. The DVD laser underneath.
Okay, you know the 405, the blue light.
Yeah.
The blue light.
Blue light, yeah.
Oh, the diode.
It's a solid state laser. To replace the laser's like $800 versus $80,000.
system? And it's great. It's reliable, it's great. But they have gone to bigger build chambers. Like